So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada? And you would prefer to live in an affluent community with some good old character and mature landscaping rather than a typical desert cookie cutter feel? Well, then this video is for you. That's because we're gonna visit the luxury community of Willow Creek in Summerlin South and show you some different price points of homes so you can see what may fit within your budget. And we're gonna get after it right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including the local real estate market. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and you tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. So, as I mentioned, we are here at Willow Creek, located in one of the more refined and established guard-gated neighborhoods in all of Summerlin, nestled inside the Willows Village, one of Summerlin's original residential villages. Willow Creek offers a blend of luxury living, mature landscaping, and a highly desirable location that continues to attract families, professionals, and retirees seeking both privacy and convenience. Developed primarily between 2000 and 2004, this 300-home community has had time to mature in a way that newer neighborhoods in the area often cannot replicate. With tree-lined streets, established greenery, and a cohesive architectural feel that gives it a timeless, upscale character. Willow Creek is defined by its guard-gated exclusivity. The community features 24-hour security, providing residents with a heightened sense of privacy and peace of mind that is a major draw for buyers looking in Summerlin's higher-end developments. Unlike some of the newer luxury communities that emphasize ultra-modern designs or dramatic elevation changes, Willow Creek offers a more traditional, serene environment. The streets are wide and quiet, and the landscaping is lush, which contributes to a calm, almost park-like atmosphere. It's this sense of tranquility is one of the defining traits that sets Willow Creek apart from busier or more densely built parts of Las Vegas. The community itself is composed of 4 distinct neighborhoods. There's Willow Falls, Heritage Glen, Willow Glen, and Eden Ridge. Each of these subdivisions were developed by well-known builders Toll Brothers and Pulte. Together, they form a cohesive yet diverse residential environment. Homes in these neighborhoods vary in size and style, ranging from approximately 2,600 square feet to well over 9,000 square feet, with lot sizes that approach nearly 3/4 of an acre. This variety allows Willow Creek to appeal to a wide range of buyers, from those seeking spacious, single-story homes to those desiring expansive, custom estates with luxury finishes and a large outdoor living areas. We'll get a better feel for these homes here in a minute when we go visit 3 of them. Willow Creek occupies an interesting value proposition within the Summerlin market. It is considered a luxury community, but it's often more attainable than ultra-exclusive enclaves like the Ridges or the Summit. This makes it appealing to buyers, maybe like yourself, who want a guard-gated lifestyle and a larger home without reaching the highest price tiers in the valley. So, let's go visit a few homes here in Willow Creek to see what options are available to you. Our first stop is located in the Willow Glen subdivision in the central part of the community on a quiet street. This home here located behind me is listed for $1,320,000, which is by far the most affordable currently available in this community. It's 3,478 square feet, which comes out to $379 per square foot. It is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2001. One could argue a reason why this home is priced where it is because there could be some updating done, particularly with the flooring and the bathrooms. This home features a downstairs primary suite with dual organized walk-in closets, a jetted tub, separate shower, and makeup vanity. There's also an executive office with built-ins and a wine cooler that sits off the formal dining room. The spacious kitchen features stainless steel appliances, including a built-in fridge, dual LG convection ovens, a large island with a breakfast bar, a trash compactor, also upgraded pull-out cabinetry, and a pantry. Their stacked stone accents highlights the family room, living room, and primary bedroom. And then upstairs includes 3 bedrooms, 1 without a closet, and 2 full baths. The backyard is perfect for entertaining, with a built-in barbecue and fridge, a fire pit, and a relaxing pool and spa combo with pop-up cleaning system. There's also a tankless water heater, which is not common in homes built in the early 2000s, and a whole home water filtration system. Overall, this home is a really good value considering the community it is located in. Beyond the gates, the location of Willow Creek is one of its strongest selling points. Situated just minutes from major thoroughfares like the 215 Beltway, residents have convenient access to the rest of the Las Vegas Valley while still enjoying a quiet residential setting. The community is also very close, as it is within walking distance to downtown Summerlin, one of the premier retail and lifestyle destinations in the entire Las Vegas Valley. Downtown Summerlin features a wide array of shopping, dining, and entertainment options, including sports venues like the Las Vegas Ballpark and City National Arena. This proximity allows potential residents like yourself to enjoy a vibrant urban lifestyle without sacrificing the peace and privacy of a gated neighborhood. So, let's go take a drive around this part of the community to get a better feel for it. Our next stop is located in the Willow Falls subdivision, behind a second gate for added security. It's also located on a quiet cul-de-sac that you can see right over here. This home here listed behind me is for $2,100,000 and is 3,302 square feet, which comes out to $636 per square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2002. This custom single-story home is a great example of what I mentioned about earlier with the mature landscaping, including large trees and real grass that you don't see much more of around the Las Vegas Valley. The interior features hardwood flooring, stone and granite details, and vaulted ceilings with modern light fixtures. There is an expansive great room with multiple dining and lounge areas. There's also an impressive 700 bottle wine room. Now, if you love wine, this home may be for you. Also, the kitchen has a large bar, push-to-open cabinetry, and high-end stainless steel appliances. The large owner suite provides a floor-to-ceiling stacked stone fireplace, a 2-person jetted bathtub, along with a rainfall shower with bench, dual vanities with the beauty counter, and a large walk-in closet with full custom built-ins. There's also speakers in the primary bedroom, the great room, and covered patio. And there's an oversized sliding glass doors that open to a generous covered patio with an outdoor kitchen that leads to a spacious and serene backyard featuring a PebbleTech pool and spa. Trust me, there's a lot to like about this beautiful home. One of the major lifestyle advantages of living here in Willow Creek is its access to private and nearby amenities. Within the community itself, residents can enjoy features such as tennis courts, a basketball court, walking paths, and neighborhood parks. The central Willow Creek Park, which we were at earlier, serves as a focal point for outdoor activity, offering open green spaces and recreational facilities that encourage an active lifestyle. It's these type of amenities that are complemented by the broader offerings of Summerlin, which include an extensive trail system exceeding 200 miles, 300 parks, 10 golf courses, and 4 different community centers. Trust me, you and your family definitely will not run out of recreational things to do in and around this neighborhood. So let's go take a drive around this wonderful part of the community to see what you think about it. Our last stop in touring homes in Willow Creek is located in the Eden Ridge subdivision in the far northern part of the community. This house here listed behind me is for $2,850,000 and is 4,062 square feet, which comes out to $702 per square foot. It is 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, has a 3-car garage, and was built in 2002. You know, this elegant, fully renovated single-story home is set on a large 11,326 square foot lot featuring an open floor plan with both a living room and a great room, 12-foot ceilings, abundant natural light, custom built-ins, and a statement fireplace. The gourmet kitchen is beautifully appointed with a generous center island, top-of-the-line appliances, and a walk-in butler's pantry with a dishwasher, which is ideal for seamless entertaining. The expansive primary suite offers a luxurious retreat with an incredible spa-like bathroom with unique mirrors that you probably have not seen before like this. And there's also a walk-in closet with custom built-ins. Finishes and features include engineered hardwood flooring, a new tankless water heater, a water softener, and Tesla solar panels to help save on those electric bills, especially in the hot summer months here. You know, outdoors, you will enjoy a private resort-style backyard with a heated pool and spa, covered patio, and built-in barbecue. It is designed for an elevated indoor-outdoor living experiences. You know, there's truly no expenses spared in bringing to life this modern masterpiece. Education is another key factor that enhances Willow Creek's appeal, particularly for families. The surrounding Summerlin area is known for having some of the best performing schools in the Clark County School District, including Ober Elementary and Fertitta Middle School, along with access to private and charter school options like Bishop Gorman High School and Faith Lutheran Middle and High School. The presence of nearby schools, parks, and community centers contribute to a strong family environment, making Willow Creek a popular choice for those raising children. Additionally, the neighborhood's layout with its quiet streets and limited thorough traffic adds an extra layer of safety and comfort for families. So, let's go take a drive around this northern part of the community to see what you think about it. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview of the mature luxury community of Willow Creek, combining the security and prestige of a guard-gated community with the warmth and livability of an established neighborhood. Willow Creek continues to stand out as one of the more desirable neighborhoods, not only in Summerlin, but in all of the Las Vegas Valley. If you feel Willow Creek checks most or all of your boxes when it comes to finding the right Las Vegas community to relocate to, my team and I are ready to go to work on your behalf and are extremely proactive in our approach to assisting getting your offer accepted on your perfect home. We don't leave any stones unturned. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Summerlin. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.